Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
Good morning. I'm Lavanya. I'm here going to teach about a sorting algorithm. In sorting, we are first going to see quick sort algorithm. So I'll explain what is quick sort algorithm here. That is, in divide and conquer approach, we'll be having two algorithms. One is merge sort, another one is the quick sort algorithm. In first, we'll be seeing about what is quick sort. So quick sort is one of the sorting. That means you know what is sorting algorithm here. In that first, the main point here is we'll be using pivot element. That is, pivot is nothing but we'll be having one array. You have to choose one random array. Using the random array, you have to choose the pivot element. Using the pivot element, you using the pivot element, you need to sort the array. So this is your sorting algorithm. That means quick sort algorithm. So whatever array the array will be given, whatever the array will be given here, in that array you need to choose one pivot element. After choosing the pivot element, your pivot element will be your middle of the site, and your left side of the pivot element will be the less than value. The right side of the pivot element will be the greater value. That means, for example, your pivot value will be the 8, means your left side of the pivot value is the less than 8, the right side of the pivot value will be the greater than 8. Like this, after sorting this, you have to sort your array value. This is nothing but you have to choose how, that means what are the methods you have to choose the pivot element. In that first we'll be having the four. First one is in one unsorted array will be given. In that first element you have to choose the pivot element, or else last element you need to choose, or else middle element, or else something random element. So wherever whatever element you need to choose, you can choose the pivot element there. That means you can choose either from first element, or else last element, or else mid element, or else random element. So whatever you can need, you will be choosing the pivot element. In that first, see here one example will be given. In that example, the yellow highlighted text will be the pivot element. That means in this array, I'll be choosing the last element as my pivot element. So 8 is my pivot element. After choosing the array, this is my next step. Totally, I'll be having, this is the array for me. So I'll be taking the pivot element as a middle. So my quick sort rule is you have to, there will be given one array, you have to choose one element. After choosing the element, that is your pivot element. Then your pivot element will be comes in middle. Your left side will be the less than pivot, your right side will be the greater than pivot element. So my value will be 8, my left side will be the less than, right side will be the greater than element. Here first, see, this is my array. In that first I'll be choosing as 8, 8 will be middle. After choosing the 8 middle, see the first value 20, that is 20 is greater than 8, right? So that will be going that side. Like 2 is less than pivot, so that will become here. Like 9, 7, 12. So likewise, see the below diagram here, 2, 7 and 1, 6 are less than 8. Then 15, 19, 20 and 12 are greater than 8. So this is the first step of the quicksort algorithm. So whatever array will be given, first choose the pivot element. You can choose your pivot element by starting or middle or else ending. I'll be choosing the pivot element as the last element, and then I'll be splitting this array. Next step is, this is my second step. So first you have to see, after splitting this step, you will be choosing this array. That is nothing but, after this is, that means you have to split into two arrays, right? One is this array and another one is that array. So first you have to sort this array and you have to sort this array, like then afterwards you can merge all this. First one, see, 2, 7, 1, 6 will be there. In that again choose my last element as a pivot element, that is 6 will be your pivot. After choosing the 6 as a pivot, your 6 will be the middle. So that is 6 is left side will be the less than, and right side will be the greater than element. So I'll be keeping a 6 as a middle. 6 less than will be a 2 and 1 or less than, and greater than will be the 7 is your greater than value. Likewise, the same way, come for right side, 15, 9 and 20, 12 will be there. In that again I will be using choosing as 12 as a pivot element. That means my last element as a 12 there. So 12 as a pivot element. After choosing this, take it as 12 as a middle. 9 will be the left side, and remaining what, 15 and 20 will be your right side. This is your second step. So likewise you need to sort each and every one. The next step will be, this is the last step. See, again I will be having 2 and 1 will be there. So for coming into up to the last two elements will be there, means there will be the one condition. You have to check whether it is greater or less than. That means you have to again choose the last element as the pivot. Here I'll be having only two arrays. One is 2, another one is 1. I'll be choosing 1 as a pivot element, means you have to check whether the 2 is greater or less than. That means you have to check with your first element. Your first element is 2, your second element is 1. So 2 is greater or less than 1. If it is greater, right? If it is greater means you just swap the element. So swapping the element means you will be getting as 1 and 2. So that is, this side will be sorted, right? See, the value is 1, 2 and 6 and 7 and 8. Up to the 8 will be over. The same way for that side, I'll be having 9, 12 and 15 and 20. In 15 and 20, see, the 20 is my pivot element, and I don't need to any swapping at all, because 15 is less than 20. So as it is, it will be there. So 9, 12 and 15 and 20. So this is the next step. So at last, this is your final diagram of quick sort. So I need to merge all this. That means 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15 and 20. So there will be given one array. Whatever array will be given, choose your pivot element as a first or middle or else last. I'll be chosen as their last element. After choosing this, split the array into two equal halves. That means your pivot will be your middle element. After middle element, your middle element is left hand side will be less and right hand side will be greater than. After that, you'll be having two equal half. In that equal half, you need to again choose one middle pivot element. Then again you need to split into two equal half, check the pivot element. The same way you can do by left and right hand side. Afterwards you can merge these. That means 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15, 20. See, whatever unsorted array will be given, you will be having the sorted array by using the pivot element. This is the quick sort algorithm. Thank you.